Hi traders, welcome back. Last week I talked about the potential cracks forming in the Great British Pound and how I was eyeing up a pound yen short if we got the right price action. Well, today we're shifting focus. This time it's all about the euro pound. So let's start with the big picture, why I think pound weakness might just be around the corner. Since August of 2024, UK inflation's been sticky, hovering back near the 3%. But recent policy moves could change that. Earlier this month, Labour Chancellor Rachel Reeves introduced tax hikes and spending cuts. That's likely to squeeze UK consumers. That means less disposable income, meaning slower growth. When we took a look at the commitment of trader reports, we could see that hedge funds have been steadily selling pound over the past few weeks. That's not random. They could be anticipating rate cuts from the Bank of England. Recent PMI numbers are painting a grim picture. The UK private sector output is at its lowest level since 2020. That's not a sign of a healthy economy. Now, retail sales for March are beating expectations, coming in at 0.4% versus a forecast of minus 0.3%. And that's why the market hasn't fully reacted yet. But I see that as a short-term noise. So if I want to short the pound, who's the best dance partner? Where's the stronger currencies? Well, the US dollar has kind of taken over the euro's old seat in the sort of dumped currency category. Meanwhile, euro dollar is up 13% this year. That's a fairly significant move. And under the right conditions, I want to be long euro. So my eye turns to euro pound. Euro pound has dipped for the last 3 weeks, but if we zoom out, we can still see that it's clearly in a strong upward trend on that weekly chart. It's currently approaching a key breakout level around 0.8450, and if that area and that zone holds, it could be a solid area to enter for me. Right now, price is pulling back, and that means that we're in this secondary phase of this weekly uptrend. So on a daily chart, we should see lower lows, lower highs forming. Now, what I want to see is these lower lows and lower highs break, because once that happens, then we could potentially see the phase one or the primary phase of the weekly uptrend continue. If price fails to make new lows, or it could even break this trend line that I've drawn from the April 11th to April 21st. That could be my signal to start looking to enter into this market. So alternatively, we to limit our risks, if we do break below the 84.50 support, then the trade setup will probably be invalidated at that point, and that'll be no setup, no trade for me. Remember, this is just my personal outlook. It's not financial advice. The market's going to do what it wants no matter where we buy or sell. But what we can control is our risk, where we get in and where we get out. So that's my thoughts on euro pound. Thanks for watching. Keep your eyes on the chart. Stay disciplined. And as always, I'll speak to you soon.